Hello everybody, welcome back to 7 Days to Die. We've got some eggs and water cooking up. We're rearing and ready to go. Let's get that jar in our main. Today is day 7. We have a... Ooh. My character almost failed to get on their bike and did the T-pose for a split second, and now it's frozen. There we go. Frozen. This is what happens when you don't play this game for a few days. Your computer's like, I can't handle it. I need to freeze a bunch right before getting into it. Oh, we're freezing. We're freezing. We're freezing. It'll probably freeze a few more times. Yeah. Is that a chicken? You ever wonder what happens when you mix rifle round and chicken? I have. We're about to find out. Uh-oh. La 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 lava. Chicken. Hehehe. Steam from Virginia, Danny and tail. Ooh, mama, yeah, you're ringing the bell. Friend, me and Juicy, now we're having a snack. Alright, I'm sorry. Nope, this one. Yep, take that off. Complete. Drop it. Modify this, put that on it, put it right here, and now we have a tier 2 knife. Ooh. Tier forge. I can make a forge. Oh, hello. Since you're still getting up, let me just British you. I Britished him. Hey. Let me just British you. You're pretty slow, haha. Ow. I just Britished them. I'm guessing part of that building is part of the mission. Ah, can I British you? I want to British you. Ow. Oh, you're stuck. Also, oh, you can't British this guy. You can't British that dude. You can shoot the dude. If you manage to hit your shots in the... It doesn't lag halfway through firing your shot. Alright, Alright. Stocks. Pipe. Nice. $10. Very nice. In fact... Pipe shotgun. I just need... Oh. I am not ready to deal with that. I am not ready to deal with this. But we're gonna go ahead and do it anyway. We're just gonna use the kind of cheaty weapon. Come on, take it. There we go. It is a bit of a cheaty weapon. Oh, I can't reach them from that. Yep. Here we go. Alright. Get some more loot. Nice. Use. Take. Alright. Old trash, we've searched that. There's a food pile here that has 1 ram rations. I was about to say lamb lashings, and I was about to look like an idiot. Joke's on me. I already am an idiot without needing to look like one. Oh, hey, their work truck must have something. Has an anvil. That is super helpful. I'm just gonna scrap that. Oh, hell. Oh, I hate you. These... Oh, frick, it's cold. Well, I'm gonna stand over here by this fire barrel. My temperature's not going up next to this fire barrel. This is some bull. Ow. One of them fell, apparently. Oh, she'll bang away down there for a while. Okay, ooh, scrap. Scrap. Perfect. Gun parts. Very nice. I think you're supposed to climb this and get in this way, but I'm guessing you have to drop down. I don't know why my weapons are always unloaded. Ow. Do you mind, you dumb... Now, the problem with firing a gun is if there is a, you know, a big horde, like the one that just passed a little while back. Am I even wearing headgear? I'm not wearing headgear, which means the flashlight mod ooh, I'm gonna search this too. Yeah, drop that, go on over here. Ooh, drop that too. Check the dumpster while we're here. Take the wood, take the pipes. Check the mailbox as well. Those sometimes have some things. And then come take our... and get back and get ready for Blood Moon Night, which is tonight, so... This would be... Ow, that's a tree. And look at that, 76%. I think it was like at 89% before that, which is dumb. Yep, here we go. Blood Moon Night. I'm gonna reload my rifle. Do they spawn inside that thing? One does. Got him. One spawned on the other side of that. Missed. The music is much more ominous. There's someone creeping around there. But at least they're not, like, beelining it for me, which means I have time to aim. But it starts to become a problem when they pile up like that. Come on. What was that path you were taking? As you were walking. Dumb. Oh, hello. Oh, this guy's walking with purpose. Ooh, that was the headshot. Lead the target. Unless they're walking straight towards you, in which case the lead is to miss. The lead is to miss. And also lead the target. And do the exact same thing I said to do and miss 3 freaking times. That guy's gonna probably need several shots to go down. Yep. Those construction dudes have a little bit more health. I've 111 shot. See, now he runs. Now he runs. Oh fuck. Scrap. Getting cornered. Happy late International Women's Day. Because you guys can apparently dodge bullets. It's almost daytime. Yeah, can you stop making weird squooshing noises? Got a few more. Oh. Oh, what a bright morning. All right, well, let's repair everything. All right. Oh, we are hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat our lamb rations real quick. And now we'll head over. That was actually a really good, like, arcade. You know, not too many. They were walking slowly, so I was able to aim. Rifles, man. I don't know if they, like, buffed them or made them more realistic or something, but that rifle was... I need to be able to reload them faster.
You did the job, I guess you ain't that damn bad after all. Quit gawking. Either buy something or piss off.
Forge. You don't have forge. You do have... Okay. I just need to sell you some stuff, so... Here, have this. Have this. Have this. Have this. We're keeping the anvil. We're keeping the anvil. Keeping the headlight mod. Just, we're gonna keep the weapons. Here you go, sell you that. Buy the 2 repair kits, because you always need those. Weapons. Wooden bow. Don't have enough money. Unfortunately. Yeah. We will.
All that gawking at goods and that's all you buy?
Actually, I want those back. Jobs. Howell residence.
It's a deal.
Yes.
Disappoint me.
And you'll find yourself on the wrong end of a rope. Yep. Thanks. In all the game updates, you give Trader Rect the exact same freaking lines that he's had since pre, like, 1.0, essentially. I think. Alright, I need to search for forge. There we go. And track. Track when we have them. Wait, I need a... How do you make it... Hold on. How do you make a wood log? Wood log. Well, I can make one of those right now. Let's put the ingredients. Let's put, well, first of all, these 2 things in here, along with this and this. Cobble rocks. 50 minus how many? 50 minus 17. 50 minus 17 equals 33, so we need to make 33. Right. And then I'll go in there. 10 leather. Pipe. Short iron pipe is made with forged iron. Right. Okay. Well, we should. Keyword is should. Boiled meat. Let's save that for later. Let's turn these into more stone arrows. And we'll head on over to our destination, which appears to not be on. Oof. Hold. Just reload everything. Search this. Crap. Can't get in there. Search the trash can for nothing I need at the moment. How are you supposed to get in? Hold on. You start with this. You start right here. Oh, don't stand on it. That'll get you lit on fire. You know what? We're doing this FBI style. FBI, open up. I missed. Take shelter. I have. No, of course. My dog's barking again. And the mission's complete, but there's plenty still to search in this house. Thought so. Ammo. Rifle ammo. Thank you very kindly. My dog needs to shut up. Oops. Here we go. Rocks go there. So I have 2 out of 3 pipes. There's not a lot here. It's so cold. You are thirsty. Here, we have this. It's not much. But it is better than nothing. Isn't there supposed to be like a treasure of some kind? Or I'm gonna just be out of stamina when I choose to jump. Alright. Just climb the thing. Stop being out of stamina and climb it. 2 coffees. Yeah, sorry, but oh, there's an attic, which I'm gonna bet has. There we go. Oh. Has the stuff I need. Alright, well, plenty of pipes at this point. Plenty of pipe. Nature gloves. Undead damage. Mobility and stamina. As opposed to Assassin's Glove attack speed plus 2%. We'll take these and we'll sell them. Search gun store. Ooh. Bowlim. Alright, how do you make nope. Duct tape. Cloth and glue. Alright. And it says we're hungry, so why don't we just start eating some charred meat. Oh great, that was not a good decision to fall that far. Now I have a leg sprain. Mother fricker. I am slow as Christmas now, and I can't interact with my freaking bike. Thank you. Oop. Where am I going? Home, hopefully. Once I get out of here. I don't know when I paused, but I got back to the thing, bought this level 2 bow, and he also had some duct tape. So we have everything we need now except for 10 leather. So, tracker. So when we find some animals to kill, we can get leather and to be able to make a forge. Also, this place is not very big, so we're gonna have to expand it a bit. The company might be able to help with that. Pick some perks. Right. So anyway, thank you for joining us for this episode. Tune in next time.